From the Book of Mysteries by Jonathan Cahn, Day 73. The Two Waters. The Promised Land has two seas, said the teacher. One is called the Kinneret, or the Sea of Galilee. The Sea of Galilee receives its water on its north end from the inflowing of the Jordan River. On its other end is its outflow. There again it becomes the Jordan River and flows southward down the Jordan Valley. And the other sea? The other sea is called the Sea of Salt, or the Sea of Dead. The Dead Sea? Yes, he said. It's called the Dead Sea because virtually nothing can live there. There's no fish, no vegetation. Its salt and its mineral prevent life from growing. And where does the Dead Sea get its water from, I asked. From the Jordan River and the Sea of Galilee. So it's the same water? Yes, he said. Then why is it dead, I asked. The difference is that the Dead Sea only has one opening to the north, where it receives water from the Jordan, but it has no outlet. The water only pours in and becomes dead. But the water in the Galilee is alive, fresh water filled with fish, and yet the very same water flows between the two. So how can the same water produce life in one place and death in the other? Because of the outlets, I answered. That's right, said the teacher. But why? I don't know. I was only guessing. The Sea of Galilee is always given what it receives. It's always flowing. But the Dead Sea only receives and never gives. So the life that gives of what it receives, the life that always blesses others, the life is the Sea of Galilee. Its water are always fresh. It's always filled with life. But the life that only takes and does not give, that life becomes dead and barren, and all within the same waters. You see, said the teacher, it's not what you have in this life, how much or how little, that in the end will matter. It's what you do with what you have. If you only take, the waters become dead and your life becomes as a Dead Sea. But if you give, then the waters become alive and your life becomes the Galilee. The mission: live this day after the pattern of the Sea of Galilee, always receiving, always giving. Live to be a blessing in the flowing of his love. Scripture references Proverbs 11:24, Matthew 10:8, Luke 6:38, 2 Corinthians 9:6 through 11.